Yeah.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Devang.
I'm Priyanka. Hi.
Hi, Priyanka. So you guys look, you have that cool Gen Z vibe couple, you know.
We're one of the most least Gen Z, I would
What
say.
makes you say that you're one of the most least Gen Z?
I don't know, but honestly, just before you stopped us, we were actually just talking about all the litter, the government, all of those things.
Civic sense and all of that.
You guys were talking about roads and politics and civic sense and all of that.
Yeah.
So there is no love, romance.
No, there is a lot of it.
Oh,
No,
But,
we just came back from like a 2-week Thailand vacation, so
Yeah,
all of
so
that.
that
is now
was- that
out.
is-
Oh
Back to
wow!
work.
So that's why वो जो चमक आ रही है
हाँ.
face पे, it's because of the 2-week Thailand trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where all did you go to, like in Thailand? Which all places did you visit?
So actually, the first week of our vacation, we were training for Muay Thai. So we did a 1-week training there, and then
Muay
we went
Thai,
to
wow.
Krabi and Bangkok after that.
Krabi is like so beautiful.
It is.
Yeah,
it is.
it's the best place ever.
I love Krabi
Yeah.
as a travel destination.
Yes.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
So how long have you guys been together for?
You can answer. You should know how long.
I don't know.
See?
It's going to be 3 years now.
3 years.
Yes.
And how did you guys happen to meet each other?
Fun fact. No, it's not a fun fact. It's a funny story. So we met outside
145
145 Bandra.
Oh.
Yeah, 145 Bandra, and she was with a friend who was in my class only.
Okay.
And
He
should I
thought.
spill the beans?
एक कर दे यार, it's okay.
Yeah, okay. So
बोल दे मत इतना सोच.
so that guy thought that they are
He
on a
thought we
date
would end up
together,
dating.
but
Okay.
she just saw me for we just bumped into each other for like 3 seconds because
Okay.
that guy said that this is my friend Priyanka and this is my classmate Devang, and we met for like literally like what 10 seconds, and then
And then there was no contact.
yeah,
like
there was no
sannata.
contact. Yeah, because I though did not even think a girl this beautiful will fall for me. But that is what she says. Now I don't believe it. Anyway, so she
What
said
did she have to say? Yeah.
Yeah,
No. You said you were saying that this beautiful girl would not fall in
Yeah.
love with me. So what did?
genuinely, because like after my previous one, I was like I don't want to date anyone for a very long time. I used to not talk to too many girls. I'm not used to interact with them or like anything because I was like I do not want it right now. And when it happened, like the thing is that I wasn't going to message or follow on Instagram because I don't want her to feel like "Arey, another boy who's like following
Was sliding
me."
into
Yeah,
my
yeah.
DMs.
I do not do that. I've never done it. And so she followed me, and I really thought कि गलती से दब गया होगा. There's no way in hell she's gonna follow me because I thought that she's way out of my league. So she followed me, and
The
I was
rest
like,
is history, to
yeah,
be honest.
yeah.
That was it.
yeah, she
That's all
followed
it
me,
took.
and I posted a story, and you messaged me.
Yeah, because his parents were fighting for ice cream.
Ice
And I was just like, oh, this seems like a.
Civic sense. See,
Yeah.
this is what I was. Yeah.
This seemed like a good lukewarm way of like sliding into his DM saying, oh, so cute of them fighting on
Yeah.
about ice cream.
And after that, I
That's-
took over. Like
Yeah.
after that, everything is me only.
So ice cream खिला दिया. You said let's take her out for ice cream.
No. My parents were eating an ice cream.
Ice cream. Yeah, I understood
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
And she
okay.
said.
Yeah, so that was like our
Yeah,
start
you
of
can
the
say
conversation.
that was a.
So
that
did you
was
take her out for ice cream eventually?
No.
No,
Well,
actually, no.
we no, not ice cream. But the first time where we went, it was what? It was that shawarma place.
Yeah,
correct?
it was.
something
We
like
just
that.
went for a drive at like 1 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah,
Yeah, which was nice.
yeah, and then after that we kept.
I don't think he wants the full story.
No.
I
I would
asking.
love to. I would
He's
love to.
asking मैं क्या
बोलो.
नहीं बोलूँगा.
No,
No,
sorry,
bolo.
I'm to say. It's just like it's been like a really long.
Yeah, so
While-
after that we met like a couple of times everywhere, and then
So 3 years has been steady and consistent.
yeah,
Yeah.
steady and consistent. Yes.
No लड़ाई झगड़ा.
लड़ाई
That happens
झगड़ा
every
तो
day.
मतलब अब वो ना हो तो कैसे चलेगा.
मजा ही नहीं आएगा.
Yeah, it's not. No, it shouldn't affect like इतना भी नहीं कि रोज ही झगड़ो. But I mean, it's not an end all fight, correct?
Like
मतलब
happy fights which
होती
make
है,
you
नहीं,
bond
नहीं.
better.
Yeah, होती है. Sometimes you do not understand each other, but that is where मतलब you're apart from each other sometime, and then you feel like okay, the reason why I miss this person is because I've not been with that person for such a long time, and then you understand that why is it that you have fallen in a relationship, correct? कि what is the core of it? It's because you love the person so much that okay कभी कभी हो जाता है झगड़ा, so it shouldn't matter that much I feel. What do you have
गुस्सा
to say?
किसको ज्यादा आता है?
मुझे
बहुत आता है इसको.
बहुत आता है.
Yeah, very गुस्सैल, but it's fine. I'm a
he's very patient.
Yeah, I'm
so
very
I think it's a
patient.
good balance.
And plus
So how do you calm her down when she's angry?
He can't calm me down. That is a personal learning that I have to be like, okay, you know what? I'm getting really upset. I need to take some time.
yeah,
So it's like a break that
Break as in कि हाँ मुझे थोड़ा time दे दो for me to settle down so I can come back in a more logical and less emotional way so that we can actually sort it out.
that's so nice.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
And like this relationship, how would you define it if you had to define like what it means to you if you had to put it in like 3 words?
3 words. If I have to define this relationship in 3 words is it's sleep, food, and travel.
ये क्या
Sleep,
ये
food and
क्या
travel.
Yeah.
मैं समझा ही नहीं कुछ.
Because I'll tell you because we really like our sleep very much, because whenever we are at each other's place and like I am in bed by like 11 or something and she's still up, but we wake up really late on a Sunday morning by like 10-12, so we really love like sleeping. Food, because हम पूरा दिन like we are both of us are like big foodies right now also. We just ate somewhere, then we got a
Coffee.
तो
coffee.
पतली कैसे रहते हो?
I go to the gym 2 times.
2 times.
Yeah, 2 times. She is also into MMA and all. So
Okay, yeah, I
Yeah.
heard the Muay Thai thing
Yeah.
that you all mentioned. You all
Yeah.
went for that. And what is heartbreak?
what is heartbreak? Oh, that's a very. What's heartbreak for you?
I mean, in context to this relationship, I don't think there has been anything that's like heartbreaking.
No, not in context to this relationship. I know there's no heartbreak. It's a happy vibe.
Yeah.
But in general, you must have experienced heartbreak. So what is heartbreak? I mean, we all do.
Yeah, I think just from my experience of my previous relationships and the people I've had the experience of being with, I think a lot of not knowing what you yourself want, so you kind of just let any shit slide. So I think for me, heartbreak has been like a lot of disrespect, a lot of dishonesty. For me, those are the 2 main things that I feel. Everything else can still be worked through at some point, but a lot of disrespect and dishonesty, after a while, it just kind of you then trust kho jata hai, right? And that is not something that you can rebuild very
Never.
easily.
Never.
So I think those are a few things that my previous heartbreaks have also taught me, and I would kind of be like, okay, this is what it feels like for me.
And if you had to say a good thing and a bad thing about him, a good thing which you feel like, okay, this is like the best, no other guy would have this, or no other guy has done this for me.
Yeah.
And one bad thing, Joe, you feel like, oh my god, this is like, no.
So I don't think it's that black and white for the bad part.
Something that irritates you.
Yeah, oh, there are so many. But but I just mean it in a way that maybe sometimes I feel like you should just listen to me more.
Yeah.
I think that would be the
I
only
agree.
thing. Like
Not just me. Every man should
listen more.
It's not just me.
But the good things are endless. But my most favorite thing about him is the fact that he's extremely consistent. Consistent in his thought process, in his discipline, in the person he is. So when I met him 3 years ago and when I know him now, his core values have been consistent, and that's very stable for
That's absolutely very important.
yeah. And consistency builds trust. So I think that has been my most favorite part about him, and he is himself.
And irritating wali.
Irritating.
तो होगा.
वो सुनता नहीं है. I am right all the time. सुन लिया कर.
It's,
I have it on video. Okay, I have it on where he said that
Okay.
I am right most of the times.
that was 85%.
Yeah, but the 15% that look at the
But
ratio,
that is the important 15%.
And
Life-changing decisions.
if
Yeah.
you had to say the same for her, one good thing and one thing that irritates you.
One thing that irritates me is her anger. She should really the thing is, the reason why it's not okay. now I don't know if irritating or whatever, but it's good for her only. Anger because मेरा कैसा है मालूम है, you just like keep walking, go with the flow, जो होएगा देखा जाएगा, and she wants it to be a little specified. Just like इतना क्या tension लेना है, there are so many things to worry about, but I understand where she comes from also, that it is her, this is how she is, you can't change that, correct? But मेरा वही है कि खुल के जियो type, a little bit
So
of
I'm
that.
type A, he's more type B.
Yeah,
But isn't that such a beautiful synergy?
yeah,
Like two different types coming together. I mean,
Yeah.
the synergy when it's two people, the synergy is different.
correct,
Of the
Correct.
same kind, and when it's two different people, the synergy is so beautiful. You get to explore so much.
correct.
I think it also depends from situation to situation. Where in some situations it's good to just be like go with the flow. You
Yeah.
don't need to plan out every single thing.
मेरा हर चीज में go with the flow है,
हाँ.
which is sometimes
Whereas for me, I'm like okay in these situations थोड़ा plan करके
Yeah.
जाते हैं या फिर let's have a plan of action so we know. Whereas for him he's just like देख लेते हैं.
जो होएगा कुछ नहीं
Now
हो-
you have to say the nice thing about
The
it.
nice things I love her.
I remember.
सब मुझे सब पसंद है उसके बारे में. I can't just specify onto one thing. The one thing that I really like about her is that she experiments a lot with me because like I started MMA and then she started also. Then I am like I go to the gym and I do all of that, and she also really like she won't say no ऐसे ही without.
She's open to exploring.
Yeah, she's open to
different
exploring,
things.
and not a lot of people would do that. So I really like that about her, that if I have something to do कि ये कुछ crazy करना है, then she will hop
She
on
will
to it.
jump in.
Yes,
And
100%.
do you have a goal post in life?
A goal post in life?
Like मेरे को ये I see my relationship like this after like this
So
2 years.
so she
5
sent
years.
me a reel where there is a person with like 4 very expensive luxury bags, and she can't open the back door of her Audi. So I want that problem to come to her. I want to buy an Audi, and I want her to have so many bags in her hand
that she can't
yeah,
handle
that
to
she-
open the boot.
yeah.
But then
of-
she can have a driver also, no? When
Ne-
she can buy so
No.
much
Yeah, so
luxury and
basically he
a
wants
Audi.
me to have these good problems.
yeah.
Okay.
This is the problem. Like she's irritating. Like
That's
she
such
gets
that's the purest form of true love.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
if he thinks that for you,
Yeah.
I think it is so much coming from the heart.
yeah. Like I want her to get mad then कि तू गाड़ी में क्यों बैठ गया, तूने डिक्की क्यों नहीं खोली.
मेरे बैग्स क्यों नहीं उठाए,
Yes.
मेरी बूट क्यों नहीं खोला?
Yes, that is an argument I'm ready to have.
I think you're going to have a crazy, fabulous, crazy life.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's
Yeah.
that's
I hope you guys go long
Yeah.
and you guys remain the way you guys are, like smiling, happy, going with the flow.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you so
giving us
much.
Your
It
time.
was
And do tell people
very-
to follow our channel Baatein Dil Se.
Oh, that's
please
nice.
follow Baatein Dil Se.